If you've suddenly realized how stupid you are for letting the love of your life go, don't just stand there and wait for her to come back. As a man, you have to take action right away before somebody else sweeps her off her feet. You need all the help you can get, especially if you know you've hurt her a lot. Knowing the law of attraction and how you can benefit from it is a great way to start your move. So, how do you get your ex back using the law of attraction? A great way to attract your ex is to undergo a major makeover that will make women's head turn, especially hers. It's easy to do so since all you have to do is change your hair, overhaul your wardrobe, and improve the way you carry yourself. Most men lack the desire to look good after a breakup since they'd rather spend the whole day and night moping around the house. Instead of losing precious time doing this, go straight to a beauty parlor and have your hair cut. You can even surprise your ex with a new hair color. You can also undergo a face massage or facial. Once you've acquired the killer looks you're after, you can drop by the department store for some clothes shopping. It's time to say goodbye to your traditional getup and sport a different fashion style. You can get some ideas from men's magazines or from movie stars you idolize. If your ex loved the likes of Johnny Depp, perhaps dressing up as preppy as the actor himself can attract her attention. Once she noticed the change in you, you can start making your move. Improve your personality. If your ex left you because of your bad manners, maybe it's about time you consider changing your attitude. The law of attraction entails that you change for the better instead of making others change for you. If your ex doesn't like the way you treat her in public or how you often leave your place disorganized, maybe you can change all that. Once your ex finds something changed in you, for sure she'll be dying of curiosity. She'll start to wonder why and how it happened. If she realized you did all that for her, she'll be overjoyed with your sweet gesture. It won't be long before she's back in your loving arms again. Get noticed. How else will you attract your ex if you don't find ways for her to notice you? This is where the law of attraction can help you a lot. It will help you attract your ex using surefire ways that will definitely catch her attention. Just because you feel bad about the breakup doesn't mean you have to show to her how sad and lonely you are. On the contrary, you have to make sure you make the right moves that will get her to notice you. One of the most effective ways to catch her attention is to go out. You can ask a female friend to accompany you to a party or dinner which your ex is also attending. Surely, she'll be surprised to see you in the dating field after the breakup. She will also wonder who you're with and how you were able to find someone new that fast. Be honest. Being honest is a must in the law of attraction. If you really want to get back together with your ex, go ahead and muster the courage to tell her how you feel. Sometimes, you just have to be honest towards yourself and to your ex as well. You can invite your ex to a romantic candle-lit dinner and pour your heart out. Who knows, she's also waiting for you to make the first move since she also feels the same way. Of course, you have to be honest with regard to your intentions and prove that to her. You can suggest getting to know each other again and start anew. The law of attraction can work wonders that it can even help you get back together with your ex. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more or share to help more people. Thank you so much.